Guys, I found these baby birds at the park and I could not just leave them. So I'm going to take them to a wildlife rehabilitation center. I already took them out and gave them hugs and kisses because they're too freaking cute. I'm trying to feed them now. One of them ate some of the turkey I had. Here, eat. Here. There you go. Good job. Good job. Good job. Here, eat some more. Don't want no more? You want some more? Good job. Good job. I know. I don't know where your mama went. All I have is cat food. But I figure like it's high protein and birds eat high protein foods, I think. I don't know. I really don't know. I don't really have anything soft enough for a baby bird to eat. But they seem to like the cat food. I just can't believe somebody would leave these birdies in the box like that. They could have got eaten or anything. Okay.